Autodosing is the machines are integrated into the chemical system. So we are able to send signals to the pumps to allow it to put the correct amount of chemicals in. So it's really a combination of the chemical provider and the equipment provider to be able to work together in harmony, right? So we want to be able to put the correct amount of detergent or bleach or softener or whatever it is that you're trying to add to it, that it gets in the correct amount for the load being specified. So it is definitely a requirement that instead of trying to put it in by hand, that it gets automatically dosed properly in the correct amount so that you're not burning linens up and that your wash is actually getting clean and that you have faith that what's ever coming out of it, we're not too much of a pH or et cetera. So definitely worth the investment. We rarely run across locations that do not have integrated chemical pumps on the wall that are tied into the machines. Occasionally we do, where people are trying to manually add detergent or soaps on it, which slows them down. But ultimately is, if 1 scoop is good, 2 scoops is better. Well, that's not always the case, right? It throws off the chemistry. Getting chlorine bleach to burn at certain temperatures, a certain pH, if those are not right, those things don't happen. So there's a lot more chemistry that goes on behind the scenes that probably the average person thinks, well, we just had a little Tide and we're all good on a commercial laundry.